Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Taurus. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, hey there, Taurus. Well, we've got some relationship news for you. You might have heard in last month's horoscope that Juno was going to go retrograde, which it did last month, and it's going to be retrograde in your fifth house pretty much until April. And that's typical for Juno. She does this every year for a couple of months, and it brings on a relationship retrospection period. And one of the things that you might be asking yourself is my partnership fun enough? And do I feel proud of my partnership? Do I feel, excited to be seen on my spouse's arm or with my spouse when we go out? Are we a power couple? Do we have a glow? And how could we improve that? You know, um, is there some work on themselves that one or the other partner could do that would add to the glow of this couple, whether it is a personal couple, such as a marriage, or a business partnership? It can apply to either one. And then I also want to add that from February 5th to the 9th, Venus is going to be trining that Juno in a really beautiful way, and supporting your ability to work on your relationship without having it come out of your mouth as like sharply barbed criticism, which is something we're all going to have to watch out for while Juno is retrograde in Virgo. Well, Julia, what's up for the Tauruses with money and career this month?
I've got a lot of good things to say about both. When it comes to money, Taurus, your sign rules some money, so it's something you definitely pay attention to. On February 7th, Ceres, the money asteroid, is entering your ninth house. She does very well in the ninth house. This is a great fit for her, and she's going to be there until December. So this is why this is so good. The ninth house represents your beliefs, and in order to increase your money, you do have to, align your beliefs that you are worthy of making more money, that you're deserving of making more money, that you should ask for that raise, that you should expand your business in that direction. A lot of it comes from self-confidence first and getting your beliefs aligned that you deserve more. So great time for doing that. And, the ninth house is a house of education. If you can do anything this year to help expand your financial education, take a business course, take an accounting course, or maybe you need to do some further education to maybe get a degree or get some certification that will help you earn more money. This is definitely the year to do it. So I want to let you know about that. And when it comes to career, we're having a big party in your 10th house of career. First of all, we've got the new moon happening this month, so a new project happening in career. We also have the sun in here, Mercury, who's moving really fast, Mars, Pluto's entering here as well. So look, a lot of activity in the 10th. So that's where a lot of your attention this month is going to go. Pluto kind of almost finally coming into this house. It'll dip back in your ninth one last time for a couple of months, but there's going to be a big drive and a transformation that's happening in your career. If you don't feel like your career is a good expression of who you are, Pluto is going to give you that push to do it. There might be some challenges along the way, but overall, it's definitely a good thing. So, really get in touch with who you are, really find out, what is the legacy I want to leave in this world? And you can use that drive of Pluto coming in here and also that kick in the butt that all the other planets are doing to get started on finding out exactly what your path in this world is going to be like. Well, that's all we have for you today. And if you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.